Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to appear offline in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to appear offline in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us at the top left. Tap on that three-lined icon. And when this panel appears, you can see there's a setting option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings and you will land over here. Now in order to proceed from over here, we'll be required to tap or open the privacy and security option available for us just below the chat settings. Tap on privacy and security and you will be over here. Now in order to appear offline in Telegram, tap on the last seen and online over here just below the phone number option. Tap on last seen and online, and over here you can see where it says the who can see my last seen time. There is a nobody section available for us. Tap on that nobody section and a tick mark will appear at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that tick mark and then you will appear offline in Telegram even though you're online, guys. And with that being said, guys, this is how to appear offline in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.